Hi, I'm SB, your market analyst, as you know. Last week I gave some analysis on GBPUSD. I gave the market bias to be a sell, and actually we made about 170 pips. That was last week. Now something actually happened last week around Friday or so. Yeah, around Friday. There is what we call Quasimodo. Some persons will know about it, and that occurred on Friday. So as of that Friday, I have already marked my Quasimodo. I would have titled it, but look at this bar. That's where I marked my Quasimodo, and the price came to mitigate that bar, and we went for a buy. Actually, there was a change of character on the M15. I'm actually looking at the M15 here. There was a change of character. But before I do that, let's look at the weekly. Last week we talked about the monthly, so this week will based on the weekly. I want this video to be as quick as possible. Okay, so if you can see, you will see that this was actually a last week candle. This green candle was last week candle. This was week before last, and this was the close of this candle, and this was the week. And you can see that last week candle swept the week of this very candle. The week here was swept. That is, the liquidity was taken out, which indicated that we'll be looking for buys this week. So take note that this week bias is buy. Take note of that. Now we'll quickly go over to the M15 where we can find some opportunities. The M15. Okay, this is our N15, our M15. Now, remember that when we had our okay, so as of last week, while we are looking at this week as a buy bias, as of last week, we also got another inducement here. This is IDM inducement. Then this was our first order block, and price rallied up, mitigated the order block, and it came down, broke here, and there was a break of structure. Break of structure. So we had a break of structure here. So anything that pierces above this chalk, this change of character, it means the market will no longer go for a sell, but will be going for buys. So because I had the weak bias to be a sell, when I saw another inducement here with another order block, I had to place an order here. That's why you can see this. Okay, market actually mitigated this and went down actually with some pips, about 20 pips, and the market reversed to the buy direction. So with all this, we've actually confirmed that this actually going to be a buy. And I told you about Quasimodo that occurred on Friday. This was where I marked my Quasimodo, and the price mitigated this bar and went up. So already we should bear in mind that we are going for buys this week. So this is the new week. The week actually started from somewhere here. Yeah, somewhere here. So I was waiting because I actually did something last week. I did something last week. Okay, somewhere here, and this is my inducement. Hold on, let me mark my. So this is my inducement. This is where I marked last week, and if you check, you see my IDM, and I placed a red horizontal line at that axis. Another thing I did was I went to the M5 and M1, that is a smaller time frame, the lower time frame, and I saw something. I also compared it with the M15, and I saw another Quasimodo coming into play. So I will talk about Quasimodo in my other videos that will be produced. I will talk about that. But for now, just bear in mind that there's what we call Quasimodo. So now I had to mark the bar of that Quasimodo with this yellow bar, and price rallied from this top because this was our boss, that is break of structure. Okay, this is our break of structure, our break of structure. So when there's a break of structure, we should be expecting price to rally down, not by just taking the trade, but expecting price to rally down to maybe a point of interest or rally down to take out inducement. So if you check out this inducement, you will see clearly that this very candle came and swept the low of this inducement, which gave us a picture that the sell is over, the short sell is over, and we'll be going into buys. So I had to go to my smaller time frame. I went to the M1. I went to the M1 and I did something. Okay, price actually came, got into this zone. I'll have to put down a structure how I got into. Okay, this was what actually happened. There was a downward move into this bar that was marked. This is the M1. I had to switch to the M1 for my entry. So there was a downward move and price went up, came down, went up again. So now I have gotten another inducement at this point. So I was expecting price to come and take out the inducement. That's how you see what happened here at this point. Price, this candle, took out the inducement here. It took out the inducement. So with that, I saw that it was actually a buy, so I could enter and I placed my trade here. So I placed a pen, just an instant order, instant execution. That's what I did actually. If you want to do the a buy limit, you can actually do that also. But I did instant execution, and at this point, where I was targeting, I placed a buy and I'm in the buy for now. I'm in the buy now. So what happens is I'll keep you updated whenever the profit target is achieved. I'll also make another video because I will ensure I make videos both on profit target and the losses made, because this is something that is very original and there will be no form of trying to put things that are not supposed to be. So you can be watching this if you care to be getting more information about weekly buyers, daily buyers, and session range, session liquidity, and all that. You can subscribe to this channel because I'll be posting those videos. I will take out my time and make new videos about each of these things, because some persons will find it difficult to understand what inducement is. Some will find it difficult to understand what a break of structure is, change of character, and these are the tools we use. Sweep of liquidity. So I will take my time and explain all these things. Meanwhile, you can be following up this channel and subscribe to it. You turn up the notification bell, and whenever I post a new video, you will be alerted and you will watch it. Thank you.